Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ki sangmau lo ang uniform civil code bill kadai kebala Wanrah Shimet bad 4 dan kanu kaan kebala Mynjur dak Rajya Sabha habaya dai bak UCC. Conrad ulai Ïathuh bala Wanrah kum ka private members bill lani kebala shu Wanrah Shimet bad kamdai kaan kebala Wanrah hi dak sorkar pedeng Ïingdorbar. Menteri Rangba ula jubab ya kani haba jubab ya kejingkali jong MLA kemauring keneng uba Heaving Stone karpran ubala kali halor ka nongrem ba ka sorkar pedeng ka yeng habay day ba ka uniform civil code. Uba karpran ulo ang baya ka UCC la Mynjur da ka Rajya Sabha ha ka khanday tarik unok pra arajar at puar. Handay Conrad ula pensyay ba 4 dan kanu jing Mynjur ya ka UCC ha ka tika sngi ba ka tarik.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 47. Sir, no bill regarding UCC has been passed by the Rajya Sabha on the said date.
Explanation has already been done. The questions are supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, if not on this date, sir, whether the government of India has passed this bill or not?
Sir, just for the benefit of the House, the UCC Bill 2022 was introduced as a private member's bill. It was not introduced by Government of India. Private members' bills are brought in by individuals at their individual level and capacity. So the bill has been brought in as a private member's bill, not by the government, number one. And number two, sir, in the list of pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, this one is number 100. So it is there, it was introduced as a private member's bill, and that was also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, then Somai, please.
So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, in that case, whether that UCC bill was passed as a private member's bill in the Lok Sabha or the government's bill introduced in the Lok Sabha?
So I'm repeating, sir. This bill was a private member's bill, not Government of India bill. Number two, it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And number three, it has been introduced, and that's also. There's no passage of any of this bill, sir. It's just introduced, and it's pending as a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha.